I got another Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix just loves to send me boxes. So let's open it up and see what I got. Hi fashion friends, welcome to my channel, Dress Like You Mean It. My name is Andrea and I love to do clothing subscription unboxings, try-ons, shopping hauls. If you like that kind of content, then I sure hope that you'll hit that subscribe button. Go ahead, do it right now and hit the notification bell so then you'll know when I put out a new video. Let's see, leave me a comment if you like the video, leave me a like. The cat's at the door, be right back. If I don't let her in, she will just sit out there and yell. So here's Lucy's appearance. Hi fashion friends. Okay, so Stitch Fix, get 5 items, you got 3 days to try them on. You can ask to extend that. If you keep all 5 items, you do get a 25% discount on everything. They send you a preview of 10 items. I did choose 2, I'm pretty sure it's 2 tops from the preview this time. And yeah, shipping is included. There's the bag to ship things back that I don't want. Looks like there's shoes in here. They will send you shoes, purses, jewelry, whatever you want. And I am seeing a pretty blue. Pretty pink, pretty blue, a black. Remember the black. Okay. Note from your stylist. My stylist is Marcia. She does a fantastic job. It's a $20 styling fee. I have a style pass, so I pay $49 once a year and then get unlimited fixes. And then they'll apply that $49 to anything that I purchase after that. So these are some sandals. They're kind of, I'm trying to decide if they're blush or tan. They're okay. I don't know that I love them. We'll see how they look on. I'm not sure that I am digging this. And it's like a fabric. So we'll see. They're made by 41 Hawthorn. What are they called? The Joyce Stretch Knit Mule in rose gold. So it is kind of a blush color. All right, gonna take off the wrapper. Things look a little different behind me because I've been having issues with my internet, and behind this bookcase is where the modem is, and they're coming out today to take a look at it. Okay, on top, first we have this really pretty blue, and it's got like a two-layered sleeve. It's like a fluttery sleeve. Feels like it's made out of polyester. It is the Calvin Klein Suit Separates Flutter Sleeve Blouse. I think I may have chosen this, and I'm wondering why, because I do not like the feel of this this material. They make it so hard to read. It is reprocessed polyester and spandex. It feels polyestery. It's cute, but it feels like that polyester that I'm just not really liking very much. And then up next, we have in this gorgeous royal blue, this looks like a dress. It's either a dress or, yep, it's a dress. And it's just got kind of a crossover V-neck, umpire waist. I'm not sure it'll be a maxi. I like this. This is by LOVEAPPELLA. And this is the Darlene Sleeveless V-neck maxi dress. And it is a petite. Let's see what it's made of. 95% rayon, 5% spandex. This has got great possibilities. That is really cute. I love this color blue. This is like one of my very favorite shades of blue. And then we have a pink top by Sanctuary. And it's got like the twisty neck, sleeveless. It is the Sun's Out knit tank. And it is made of 100% organic cotton. Really pretty shade of pink. Okay, that looks good. And then I remember picking out this. It is black, which I complained that they give me too much black in the summer, but it did look cute. It is the 9 BRITTON Azriel knit top. So it is a tank, and it's got that inset of lace, which I thought was nice. It feels nice. Let's see what this is made of. It is lined. It is, the shell is 96% rayon, 4% spandex, and same for the lining. So feels really nice. And the back is like a V. So a V in the back, and then a V with a lace inset. All right, so we got a maxi dress, 3 tops, and shoes. I'll show you my outfit of the day, and then we'll see what works. So today I am wearing a blue, kind of a blue denim shade of, it's a cashmere blend top that I got from White House Black Market. I think I ordered it. I think they had sent me like some kind of offer. Anyway, and then I paired it with these mauve colored 41 Hawthorn pants that I got from Stitch Fix. And right now I'm just wearing some flip-flops. And my stylist is Marcia, and she said, "Hello Andrea, I hope that you had a fun 4th of July celebration this year. I see that you found a couple of cute tops from the Fix preview to try this time. Those white jeans are eluding me this summer, but I promise to keep looking for next time. I've asked everybody for white straight leg jeans and nobody can seem to find them. Since you asked for cute summer tops that are not polyester, I added a fun cotton tank in pink from Sanctuary to try. It will be great with everything from shorts to jeans. You also mentioned a maxi dress, so I found a pretty blue option from LOVEAPPELLA with your desired V neckline. I also added some knit Mule wedges from 41 Hawthorn to pair with the dress, as well as other outfits in your closet. As always, I look forward to your feedback on your videos, so let me know what you think of everything this time." Okay. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix, I'll leave my link below. That'll give you $25 off your first fix, so you won't be charged the $20 styling fee, and you'll have $25 to apply to anything you want to purchase. I'll also get $25 credit. And I do want to take a second to thank you so much for watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Now let's try some clothes on. I am going to keep these pants on with all the tops, and I think actually with this particular top, it goes quite well. It is this beautiful, I would call this bubblegum pink color, and it is sleeveless. It does have just a straight hem. Boy, Lucy is being super demanding today. I did do a front tuck, which I think looks pretty good. It has the like kind of twisty there. It's a really nice soft cotton, so I like that about it. I'm not loving this, how this looks. I like a nice twist detail, but with the sleeveless, I'm just not liking how it looks. And that's from the side, from the back. Yeah, I just, I don't love this. Love the color, love the material, don't love the look. You know, it looks matronly. It makes me, it just strikes me as kind of an old look. So I think I'm gonna do a pass on this. I'm gonna be super, super picky. I have to absolutely love something to keep it, because I just got a wantable and kept a couple things from that. I have another wantable, might even get delivered today, and then this is the week of the Nordstrom anniversary sale. So I always hit that up and make some purchases. So I do have to be mindful of a budget. So while this is really nice, I don't love how it looks, so this is not going to be a keeper, okay? So this is the top by Calvin Klein. It's in this beautiful shade of blue. It has the V-neck, which you know I like so much. I like the sleeves. I like the, double layer, and sorry, somebody's mowing their lawn out there. I do like that look. It's very clingy. If I wanted to do a front tuck, I suppose that would help hide the clinginess. It feels okay, you know, it is polyester, but it does feel okay. I know, we'll see how much it costs, because I do love the color. I do love the color, love the sleeves, love the V-neck. Don't love how clingy it is though, even with that front tuck. Yeah. So, what do you think of this one? The pros are the color, the V-neck, and the sleeves. The cons are the polyester and the clinginess. Okay, we have one more top to try on. Okay, this is the black top, and it's got, you know, it's not spaghetti straps, it's, you know, a thicker strap. Just basic black color, but it feels really nice. The material, it feels like modal, and it's rayon, but it does feel like modal. It is kind of a curved hem, and then if I wanted to do the front tuck, it'd be like that. Don't know that I like that. It's got this very nice detail of the lace in the V. So, and then the back has a V. So I like that. I think it's going to come down to the price. I like it. I, you know, can imagine wearing it with a lot of things, throw on a blazer, but I'm not like, wow, this is amazing. It feels amazing, but yeah, it's, again, it'll come down to the price. I'm just being picky. I just need to be, since I'm, you know, got several different things going on. All right, I'm really excited about trying on that maxi dress though, so let's check that out. Okay, this is the maxi dress from LOVEAPPELLA. It is a small petite, so it is not long. It does go down to like my ankle, but I probably wouldn't want to wear heels with this. I did put the shoes on, and I will give you a close-up of them. This dress is, I just love this shade of blue. It's gorgeous. I'm going to come up closer, but I just want you to see the full-length version. It is an umpire waist. Let me come up closer and talk about some of the other details. So it's a V-neck, it crosses over. It is not bra friendly. So you can see in the back, it covers up the bra in the front, but because of the way the straps go in, it does show the bra in the back. So it would require either a stick-on bra or a strapless bra. And I was wearing a strapless bra yesterday, guys, and it was just torture. Yeah, so I would probably do the stick-on bra method. Doesn't feel like super high quality material, but it feels nice. So what do you think of this? I guess, again, we will see what the price is. I like it. It would be, you know, a really comfortable dress for just running errands. I'm meeting a friend today for lunch, you know, it'd be good for that, casual dinner. So, you know, I think it's something that would get a lot of wear. When I first took it out, I thought, because I just booked a vacation to Mexico in September, and I thought to myself, oh, maybe I could wear this for dinner one night. But because I really enjoy wearing my heels when I go on vacation, because I just don't get to wear them all the time like I did when I worked, I would not want to wear heels with this, because I think they're just too, it's not long enough. Okay, let's take a close-up of those shoes. So these are the shoes, and the material is, you know, it's comfortable. I don't like a mule though. I don't find that they're comfortable to walk in, and I can't say that I love these. They again look kind of matronly, but it's just, you know, not very high, little tiny wedge, and yeah, I just I like a flip-flop, but I don't like a mule. So these are going to be a no. All right, let's do prices and recap. So that was a good box, I thought. Let's see how much things were. The stylist pick subtotal for all 5 items is $271, As I said, if you buy all 5 items, they do give you a 25% discount, which I think is quite generous. And that would take off $67.75, and that would bring my total down to $203.35. So, we'll see. Shh. The shoes were the 41 Hawthorn Joyce Stretch Knit Mule. Those are $69. Didn't love them, so those are going back for sure. The Maxi Dress, which is what I like the best, and that is the LOVEAPPELLA Darlene Sleeveless V-Neck Maxi. This is $70, which it doesn't, quiet. I'm just not sure it's the quality that I'm concerned about, and I'm concerned if I wash it, it's going to shrink because it is rayon, and it's already bordering on being too short. I wonder if they have it in a regular small. I'll have to check because I really do like it. I just feel like for what it feels, it doesn't feel $70 quality, I guess is what I'm thinking. But I love the color and the, everything else about it. So that's the one I'm probably most likely to keep. The Calvin Klein suit separates. I like this, but it's $54 and it was super clingy. So I think that's gonna go back. And the pink Sanctuary Suns Out knit tank is $39, which is super reasonable. But I didn't love it. And the 9 BRITTON Azriel knit top in black, this is $39. So I might keep this. I'm gonna try it on again. It just doesn't excite me. I think it's really pretty, but it's not like, oh wow, this is the best thing ever. And my closet is so full that that's what I'm feeling like I wanna buy, is things that, like, I think it was my last Stitch Fix, that pink top. So many of you said I should size up to a small, but you know what? I was so excited about wearing it. I did keep it. I haven't washed it yet. It's in the hamper, but I just couldn't wait to wear it because I loved it so much. So I really like that blue dress. I'm just concerned about it shrinking with the rayon. So, and I'm just not sure about the price. What did you think of this box? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, please give me the like, and yeah, I'll be seeing you again soon because I got several new videos to make with the Nordstrom anniversary sale and the Wantable coming up. So until next time, fashion friends, don't forget to dress like you mean it.